So we have one more feature of Excel formatting to cover under this section, and that is the use of comments. Cell comments are useful for adding descriptive data into your cell. To add a comment to a cell, simply select it, right-click, find the Insert Comment command. A comment will automatically be added, and by default, the name of the user that is logged into that computer will be added to the top of the comment box and highlighted in bold. You can choose to remove this, or if you want to make it clear that you are the one communicating information, then it might be useful to leave that label at the top. From here we can add some sort of descriptive background information on that cell. So let's say, for example, this report might be passed to the accounts department so they can calculate commission payments. I might need to add some descriptive information to the cell to say something like commission to be shared with Jones. Once I'm done updating the comment for the cell, I simply click out of that comment. The comment is retained, but it will only be visible if I hover over that cell again. We have the red tag in the corner that will advise users to go and look for this comment. We can make changes to the comment by right-clicking again, moving down the options and finding the Edit Comment. I can then update the message or, for example, delete this header. And finally, if I want to get rid of the comment because it is no longer relevant, I can just come to the Delete Comment and remove it completely. The information and my little red tag is removed. Comments are a great way of adding a small amount of descriptive information to a numeric cell. However, we should be careful with comments. They should not substitute for actual data in cells. If you find yourself writing extensive comments within each cell, then you should probably stop using comments and instead create another column, for example, where it contains information such as commission shared with or some other descriptor. So comments are fantastic, but they should be used sparingly.